Do you want 2025 to be the year of your financial success? Welcome to MintMind. Here, we guide you on how to shift your mindset and turn your financial dreams into reality. Let's get started. Most people spend their whole lives chasing money, but those with the right financial mindset make money work for them. The difference is only in the way you think. Whenever you earn, pay yourself first. Save a portion before you spend a single dollar. This is a golden rule of financially successful people. Start investing early, no matter how small the amount. Time is your greatest asset. Compounding will grow your wealth in ways you can't even imagine. Avoid bad debts like unnecessary credit card bills or payday loans. Debt can trap you in a cycle that kills your financial freedom. Borrow wisely and only when truly needed. Focus on building assets, not liabilities. Invest in things that generate income, like rental properties, stocks, or online businesses. Luxury items may look good, but often just drain your wealth. And never stop learning. Financial knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Read books, take courses, follow experts, because knowledge is your true power. So, which financial mindset will you adopt starting today? Tell us in the comments. And if you're serious about mastering your money and your future, subscribe to MintMind now. This is just the beginning.